Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create a call link on WhatsApp. Friends, now in WhatsApp you can create a call link and up to 32 person can join that voice or video call using that link. So to make a call link, you simply need to press on calls. In calls, you need to press on create call link. Now from here you can share this link via WhatsApp, or you can share this link to other messengers also. Like suppose I want to share this link to Telegram. Now from this list press on Telegram. Now our shared call link will look like this in Telegram. You can also share this link within WhatsApp. Now if you want to share this link in WhatsApp, then you simply need to press on send link via WhatsApp and here select the contact. And press on send. You can share this link to a contact or in a group. To start the call, person just need to press on join call. I just show you on my other mobile phone. Now I am pressing join call on my other mobile device. Now we have connected to our WhatsApp call. I am just disconnecting it. Now in our main mobile it is showing waiting for others. So friends, like this you can very easily create a call link on WhatsApp and can make voice or video call to up to 32 persons. So friends, I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.